How to use Expedia Bundle Deal feature. Use Expedia's Bundle and Save feature. First of all, you have to search all at once. Go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice. From here, tap on the search bar, then type Expedia Vacation Packages. Once you're here within the official site, go ahead and open it. You will be redirected to your application if you have downloaded it, or you can also simply view from the website. Now, once you type in your destination over here on the Going To panel, all you have to do is select your travelers and also your flight dates, and then tap Done. Now all you have to do is search. Once you search it up, you will find this Bundle and Save option. You can further increase your savings by throwing a rental car or local activities into the same package as well. All you have to do is go ahead and open any of these panels. From here, you can proceed to add more amenities or more features. All you have to do is now review the total package price compared to the booking items separately. The discount is applied automatically during your checkout. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.